M N O. Ready? Very good. Did you arrange it on the table? Kavi Kartika, KLMNO. What card you are showing me? Arrange 5 letters on your table or on the floor. Jason, where is your cards, Jason?
Ma'am, give me 2 minutes, ma'am. He's
Yeah, okay, fine.
I'll make him.
Okay, fine. Ready, children? KLMNO. Arrange it on the floor or on the table. If your parents are helping you, please say no. யாரும் ஹெல்ப் பண்ணாதீங்க வேண்டாம் should say. Okay? நானே பண்ணிக்குவேன். Please don't help. Even if they are helping you, you should say like that. Okay? KLMNO. Ready? Vihan, take your alphabet card. KLMNO. Good morning, Vihan.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Yeah, good morning. Can I take your cards? KLMNO fast. Everyone is ready. I'm going to conduct the activity. Okay, first letter is O. O. Whatever letter I am telling you, have to take, children. Oh, very good, Hazel. O. Kartika. Oh, very good, Dashwan, Visha,
Ma'am, Vishnu don't
Taraneshwar.
have cards.
You don't have the cards? Let him write in the slate or notebook.
Sure. Okay. We shifted the home, so.
Yeah, no issues. Oh, ready, children? Very good. Keep it aside. And the next letter is N. Here the aeroplane. Very good. Well done, well done. Sukri, where is N? Very good, Dharneshwar. And very good, ma. Well done. Well done, Sukri.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Ananya. Come on, take your alphabet cards. KLMNO. KLMNO. Okay. And the next letter is L. L, children. Next letter is L. Very good. Well done. Next is M. M. Mom and the dad makes many meals. Mom and the dad makes many meals for their hungry children. Very good. Very good, Dharneshwar, Mitra, Hazel, Dashwan. L, you are having Kartika. I said M. Kartika, M sonna, ma'am. Come on. Very good, Sara. Good. M. Well done. And next is K. K. Over. Next set of letters. K. Okay, now the next set of letters. Very good, all of you. Well done. Next set of letters. Very good, Makeshav. N, O, sorry. 1 minute. P, Q, R, S, T. P, Q, R, S, T. Only the 5 letters. Ananya's mom can help her. Only 5 letters. You give it to her. She's searching. Just 5 letters. Next set of words will be U, V, W, X, Y, Z. P, Q, R, S, T. Parents can help them in arranging the cards. Ananya's mom, are you rolling that chart paper? Don't roll it.
Yeah, ma'am. Okay.
Keep it inside a notebook or something. Roll it in the opposite direction and then keep it inside a book.
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
Yeah, fine. Ready, children? P, Q, R, S, T.
Ready.
Ready. Okay. Shall we do it? First letter is yes. Snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. Very good, ma Hazel. Wonderful, Hazel. Identification and all, Pakka Hazel. Good girl. Yes, very good. S for Sukriv Gautam. S for Sri Ananya. Come on. Sukriv, where is your S? Snake has ran away, va? S sedunga. Come on, fast. Very good, ma Jason. Jason's mom, 1 minute, show me your card.
I wrote small and capital both, ma'am.
Capital letters you wrote. Fine, that is not bad.
Both.
Actually, I want you to write little bit bolder
Okay, ma'am.
with chisel marker, or if you have paint also you can write.
Okay,
I
ma'am.
think he's having paint with him, right? Yesterday also was playing with that.
I'll.
You can use it with paint. Allow him itself to do his pointer finger. Touch the paint and write with his pointer finger. He will really enjoy that.
Sure, ma'am. I'll make
If it is little bit bolder, no, it will be easy for him to identify.
Sure.
Jason, first of all, sorry, Jason. I forgot your birthday. Belated birthday wishes, Jason.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Welcome. Ready, children? Next is Q. 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 Q sounds qua, qua, qua. Sound of Q is qua. Visha's mom, Q letter, the line should go inside that circle. Should not be only on the outer part.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Q, very good, children. Where is Q, Hazel? Sukri Gautam. Q, very good, Kavi Kartika, Sara. Q. Hazel's mom also, with a marker, you can draw a line inside that circle. Because while they're writing also, they'll follow the same for that only.
Okay, ma'am.
Very good. Yeah, finished. Wow, so quick. Good, children. Okay, now the next letter is P. Come on, P, Visha. Sit straight. P. Very tired, Avisha.
Lazy, ma'am.
Had your breakfast, Visha? Breakfast? What
Yes,
did
ma'am.
you have?
No,
What did you have for breakfast?
Doctor, ma'am.
Dosa, ma'am. Very good. Visha, say yes. Yes. Kavi Kartika, please mute yours. 1 minute, Visha, say yes.
Say yes. Yes, only.
F.
Yes.
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 You have to work out Visha's mom.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you please stay after the session?
எஸ் மேம் எஸ் மேம் ஷூர் மேம். நிறைய நிறைய வேர்ட்ஸ் வந்து கரெக்டா வர மாட்டேங்குது, நிறையவே வர மாட்டேங்குது.
Yeah, I want to speak with her. That's what.
ஓகே மேம் ஷூர் மேம்.
Fine. Next is R. R.
Or
R. 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 R for Rudwin. R for Radhyani. Varsha is present today. Good morning, Varsha.
Good morning,
R.
ma'am.
Good morning. Sukri's mom. Wrong cards and all you are taking and give it to my child. Why?
No, ma'am, he put
இங்க-
everything down. So I
R
was
இங்க இருக்கு, நீங்க என்ன தப்பு தப்பா எடுத்து கொடுக்குறீங்க. ச்சே, 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 ச்சே. R. Very good, children. Well done. You all are identifying. Very good. Awesome. Next is final letter. What did we leave it? என்ன letter விட்டுட்டோம்? What letter we left? Huh? U-va. What is that? T. Very good. Someone is showing ulta T to me. Who is that? Ulta T. Ulta, ulta, ulta. Dashwan, you only. Very good, ma children. Very good. Next set of letters. Come on, finish it fast and start our session. Very good. U, V, W, X, Y, Z. And ta-dan, mom is also ready. U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Ready? What, ma Jason? Flying down means switch off your fan.
yes, thank you. I did wrong everything, ma'am.
Mama, you did wrong. Jason's mom. Why? Okay, come on, let's start, children. First letter, ready? Hope everyone is ready. Vihan, what are you doing, Vihan? Are you writing? You didn't even show me a letter. Are you writing in your notebook?
Till I'm writing, ma'am. Till I'm writing,
T
ma'am.
editingla. Okay, I heard it. Let them answer. Even if it is in Tamil also, okay. They are able to understand my language. That is well and good. Okay, first letter is X. X. Take an X-ray. Take an X-ray. Take an X-ray. X-ray of my hand. Very good, Keshav. Mitra. Hazel. Ananya. Dashwan. Very good. Sukriv. X. Don't listen to your mama, Sukriv. You yourself do. X. Varsha, X. Where is the X card? Very good, Visha. Showing in the hand. Good. Okay, next letter is Z. Z. Z, the last letter, Z. Very good. Rudwin, pick up the Z letter, come on. Very good, Rudwin. Very good, all of you good. Well done. Okay, next letter is W. W. Sukriv Gautam, W. Okay, give high five only to ma'am, not to mom. W. For all the letters, they are giving high five, huh?
yeah, ma'am, for every.
That's what. For each and every letter, high five. I'm very jealous of you. Not at all giving high five to ma'am.
Give a high five to ma'am.
W.
Hey, inga odra.
High five to the wall. W, finish. Okay, now the next letter is U. U. Up go umbrellas. Up go umbrellas. Up go umbrellas when it starts to rain. U, very good, Hazel. Hazel's mom, is she picking it on her own?
Yes, ma'am, she's speaking.
Wow. Awesome, children. Very good. Pakka capital letters. Okay. And then next letter is Y. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. Very good, Sarah. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. Yeah. Very good, Visha.
Long.
What, ma?
We channel தரும் பாத்தீங்களா கேட்டேன்.
Huh?
அவள சொல்ல மாட்டீங்களான்னு கேக்குறா.
Visha, very good. If I call out all the names repeatedly, then 1 hour will not be enough. Very good. Visha, everyone, all my children are very smart, cute, bubbly children. I know that very well. Okay. Next is, what is the final letter which ma'am left out? What is that letter? Show me the letter. V for? V for?
Vita.
Visha. V for? V for?
Vienga. V.
Vanilla, ma'am. You all forgot V for vanilla, mama. Huh? Vanilla, ma'am. Thank you so much, children. All of you give your cards to your parents. Stand up, join your hands and close your eyes. Children, if anyone knows Kidzi anthem, please let me know. Okay, if you are able to say Kidzi anthem without my help, please let me know. I'll allow you to say Kidzi anthem. Okay? Varsha knows Kidzi anthem? You will say alone without my help?
Okay.
Yeah, very good. Join your hands and close your eyes. Today, Varsha is going to say Kidzi anthem. Join your hands. Close your eyes, everyone. Close. No cheating. Close. Come on. Yes, Varsha. Start. Kidzi anthem.
Kidzi anthem. Long enemy. Any bright light.
No. You are within me.
Your enemy. Any bright light. Bright flash.
Varsha, you repeat after ma'am, okay? Kidzi anthem.
Kidzi anthem.
You are within me.
Not with me.
You are infinite.
Down with the nine.
You are unique.
We are unique.
My potential inside.
I little in the side.
You are the wings.
They all are the wings.
Beneath my flight.
Beneath the light.
You define me.
You define me.
My potential inside.
My foot in the side.
You Today I pledge
Today I pledge
with all my might.
on my might.
I shall achieve you.
I shall achieve you.
My potential inside.
My foot in the side.
Yeah, 1 minute, children. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, very good morning, everyone. Good morning. Very good morning. Good morning. Okay, ready for the warm activity? Don't sit down, stand up. Stand up, all of you. Don't sit down.
What's going on? Ding, ding. Ding, ding.
Yes, all of you go drink one glass of water and come back. Very good, Dashwan. Very good, Hazel. Very good, Jason. Very good, Keshav. Radyani is absent today. Okay, next. Very good, Rudwin.
Sarah.
Next. Very good, Sarah. Very good, Ananya. Very good, Gautam. Sukriv Gautam.
நீதான் சொல்லு.
Yeah, very good, Visha. Very good, Kavi Kartika. Mahirni. She's absent today. Okay. Very good, Mitra. Very good, Matarneshwar. Varsha. Very good, Varsha. Vihan. Very good, Vihan. Madhuvanti. Madhuvanti. Okay, children. Okay, children. Do you all remember the rhymes which I taught you yesterday? Yesterday, what rhyme did I teach you? I taught you a new rhyme. Yes or no? What was that? What was that? What was that? Five senses rhyme. Yes, Sukri Gautam, sing.
smell, that's it. One little nose, let's eat. One little nose, eat.
Very good. That was the body parts rhyme. Very good. Next time was the five senses rhyme. Do you all remember? I have two eyes that can see. I have one nose that can smell. I have fingers that can touch. They make me feel things pretty much. I have 2 ears that can hear and one tongue that helps me taste. These are all my five senses. These are the things I should not waste. Yeah, one more time. Mom is going to sing slowly this time, okay? I have two eyes that can see. I have one nose that can smell. I have fingers that can touch. They make me feel things pretty much. I have 2 ears that can hear and one tongue that helps me taste. These are all my five senses. These are the things I should not waste. Yes, all of you stand up. You're going to do an activity now. Stand up, all of you. Okay? Now we are going to learn about the parts of our body. Stand up, all of you. Parts of our body. Stand up. Yeah, children, all of you first touch your head. I want you to touch your head. Where is your head? Touch your head. All of you touch your head. Head. Okay? Now, eyes. Where is your eyes? Eyes. Eyes. Ears. Where is your ears? Ears. Very good. And where is your nose? Where is your nose? Nose. Nose. This is your nose. And where is your mouth? Where is your mouth? This is your mouth. Okay. Now we are going to learn another set of body parts, which is your neck. Come on, touch your neck. Neck. This is your neck. All of you touch your neck. Neck. Shoulders. Shoulders. Where is your shoulders? Come on, shake your shoulders. Shoulders. Stomach. Stomach. Where is your stomach? This is your stomach. Hip. This is your hip. Shake your hip, everyone. Hip. Where is your hip? Keep your hands on your hip, everyone. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. And where is your knees? This is your knees. Knees. All of you, show me your knees. Knees. Don't fall down. Knees. This is your knees. Okay, and where is your toe? Where is your toe? This is your toe. Here. This is your toe. Touch your toe. Touch your toe, all of you. Toe. Okay, from the neck we'll have a small recap. Neck. Touch your neck. Neck. Shoulders. Shoulders. Okay. Stomach. Stomach. Knees. 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 Hip. 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 Toes. Toes. This is your toes. Toes. Very good. Well done, all of you. Now all of you sit down. Sit, all of you. Now bring your calendar. Let's color the date. Bring your calendar, everyone, first. What is today's date? Who is going to tell me? Yesterday was 1 to 12. And what is the date today?
1, 2, 3, 13.
Yeah, 1, 3, 13. Well done. All of you should color 1, 3, 13 here. Tuesday. 1, 3, 13. Tuesday. 1, 3, 13. Tuesday. Finish. Very good. Very good, Hazel. Even more perfectly, you can try to color, Hazel. Yeah, very good, everyone. Finished? Very good, all of you. Keep your calendars aside. Finished coloring? Keep your calendars aside. Very good. Well done, all of you. Okay, yesterday we learned A, that is small letter A. Come on, take your slate, all of you, and write and show it to me. Small letter A. Small letter A. That is capital letter, children. Small letter K. I don't want you to see your cards. You take your slate and write. Small letter A. Yesterday we practiced writing A, right? You also did your homework also. So take your slate and write A. First a curve, go up and come down. A. Very good, Keshav. Well done. Hazel, write one more time, Hazel. Let me see. A curve. Without taking your hand, you should write. Very good, Disha. Very good, Ananya. No, don't write with the circle, ma. Hazel, it's wrong. No. Hazel's mom, it is wrong. Whatever is easy, you try to do that, children. No. See a curve, go up, come down. A. Very good, ma. See Ananya, very good. Sarah, very good, Sarah. But circle, I think you're writing like circle. One more time, Sarah. Very good, ma.
One.
Good.
One.
Very good, Sukriv Gautam. Very good. Mitra, good. Varsha, A, small A. A curve, go up and come down. A, small A. Like this. See here, a curve first. Go up, come down in the same line. A. Jason, are you able to write A?
Little
Kavi Kartika. Correct only, right, ma, Jason. Right.
இது பார்த்து எழுது சிரிக்காதே
A. See, I'm showing you. A.
சி மாதிரி போட்டு
Small A.
மேல போ மேல
A curve.
கை
Go up. Come down in the same line. அதே லைன்ல கீழே வரணும். Perfect, ma, Mitra. Very good.
வெரி குட்
Well done, Jason. I saw how you wrote. Very good, Jason.
But without
Well done.
instructions it's difficult, ma'am. Maybe with pace it will come.
Sorry?
Without instructions it is not.
Yeah, with instruction only they'll write because now only we started, right? So no problem. You instructed.
Note பண்ணலாமா?
Hey. Very good, all of you. Okay, now today we are going to learn another letter. It is B. Look, all of you, look at the screen. Very good, children. Well done. B, capital B, and this is small b. Today we are going to learn small b, a standing line and a small curve. But for capital letter, we'll have double curve, right? But for small letter, only one curve, no two curves. Okay, children, only one curve. And B for, let me show you some pictures related to B. B for balloon. B for bathtub. B for bus. B for bottle. B for bicycle. B for blanket. B for bubbles, and this is a boy. And finally B for butterfly. What is the sound and action for B? B. Very good. B. Okay. So same worksheet we are going to do. Before that, we'll practice it with the slate. Okay. Erase your slate, children. Keep it clean. I'm going to show you how to write B.
Next is gas.
B. Very good. A standing line and a curve. Okay. Okay, not like capital B. Capital B will have double curve like this. But don't want double curve. Only a single curve. B.
Yeah.
B.
Ma'am.
Very good, Keshav. A standing line and B.
Yes.
But children, wait a minute, children. In 4 line, when you write, how will you write B? See here. A standing line from red line to blue line. And then in the blue line only, you will draw a curve. B. Okay? This is the way you write in 4 lines. A standing line and a curve. B. While writing in the worksheet also the same. Very good, Mavihan. A standing line and a curve. Follow the lines given in the slate also, children. There will be no blue lines. But 1, 2, 3, have a count of it and do it. Yeah, very good. From the red line to the white line. Very good, Jason. And between the white lines only, you should draw a curve. Very good, Hazel. Dashwan. Mitra. Good. Another time, standing line and a curve. B. Now I want all of you to take worksheet number D07LT. D07LT. Very good, Ananya. Sukrit Gautam. Not that page, Hazel's mom, the page just before that. D07LT. Yeah, wait 1 minute. I will present it to you. Very good, Visha. Perfect, Visha. Varsha Goodma. Take your worksheet. You will have a bat picture in that. Big bat. B for bat. Yesterday, how did we practice writing A? With our pointer finger, right? Likewise, practice it with the pointer finger. B. From number 1, you have to start, children. From number 1, come down in a standing line like this. And then from number 2, you're going to draw a curve like this. B. Yes? Today's date, please write today's date. Today's date is 1/3/13. Dash 7 dash to 121. And then you will have some blanks here. Those who don't have the blanks here, you can carry on with the next worksheet. The same D07B worksheet you will have. Is everybody having these blanks here? 5 letters, 6 letters, 5 letters?
Jason has.
Everyone is having. Is there anyone who is not having this type of worksheet?
In Ananya's worksheet, she doesn't have the
Only
line.
Ananya. Okay. You can carry on with the next worksheet, Ananya's mom. This
Yeah,
trace
okay.
the letter. This part you don't have, right?
Yeah, ma'am. Below B, we don't have to trace. We don't have to trace.
Okay, fine. I'll note it down. Anyone else except Ananya? Finish, children. All of you are having except Ananya, va?
Fish man.
Yeah, very good. Can carry on with the next page, ma. Small letter, if you are free. Let others also finish. Yes, Keshav, very good, Keshav.
See you, man.
Yeah.
Before beyond before
Basket.
basket before bus before butterfly.
Right, B. Capital letter.
Only the small letter, capital letter afterwards. When you are free at home, you can write, children. Next page, those who are writing the next page, they can just write these small letters afterwards. When you are free, you carry on with the capital letters. Finish the six blanks, everyone. We'll move on to the next page. Please let me know, parents, if you have finished. Next page, children, that is the full B, capital B and small b, you will have the same worksheet D07LT. Like how you did A, you have to finish B, like homework, okay? Slowly, when you have time, you write.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Our next worksheet, hope everyone has finished with the 6 blanks. Next worksheet is D08 LT. D08 LT. D08 LT. Write today's date. 1313 dash 7 dash 2121. Here you have A and B. Trace the letters. Color the objects that start with the same letter. Okay. A means A for flower will come or apple. What will you color? A for apple. First circle it. Yeah. A for apple. Okay. And then next you have B. B for cat or butterfly. Butterfly. First you circle the picture, children, and then you can color. Otherwise you will color the wrong picture. Okay. Again A for axe, A for ant. Both the pictures you will color. A for axe and A for ant. And next is B for balloon. And finally, start tracing it. A, curve, go up, come down. A.
We have to color or we have to just round it, ma'am?
First, they have to circle it. Otherwise, they will color all the pictures. They have to come to this practice regularly. Why? Because we have many worksheets that they have to identify and then color. If you are not circling, means they will color even the flower also. Because they love coloring, right? They will color with the flower and also the apple. But the activity is not like that, right? A for apple only we have to color. For that purpose only I am asking them to circle it first. B, standing line and a curve. Again A and B. Just trace it, children, and then you start coloring. A. B. Finish circling, children. First of all, circle it and then you color.
Finish circling, ma'am.
Now you color, ma Vihan.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Sukhdev Gautam, take your pencil from your mouth.
Yes, right, ma Mitra. Ananya finished tracing.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, fine.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry.
Yes, ma'am, சொல்லு.
Ma'am.
Finish, ma'am.
Everything you colored. Axe also you should color, ma. A for axe.
Color, ma'am.
A for axe and A for ant, children. Visha, finish?
Yes, ma'am. Coloring, ma'am.
Yeah. Sarah, finish? Sarah,
She's doing, ma'am.
doing okay.
Just circle, yeah.
Yeah. Color ma, Sarah. Slowly you do.
Okay, for
Finish. Dashwan, very good. Well done, Dashwan. But even more perfectly, you can color. See how you have colored the apple? Why so fast? Come on, color it properly. Come on. You're in junior KG now. You should color properly, children. You should learn. Come on, color it properly. First, cover all the borders of the picture and then inside you color afterwards. Dashwan, you're writing very well. Why don't you learn to color, Dashwan? You don't like coloring, ah? Dashwan, you don't like coloring, ah? Coloring pudikada, Dashwanuku? Then you color properly. If you like coloring, you have to color properly, right? Come on, color apple properly. Yeah, thank you. Rudwin's mom, what is Rudwin doing? Very good, Kavi Kartika. Axe, why children? No one has circled axe.
Coloring, ma'am.
You didn't? Coloring, okay. Axe, A for axe. I told you both the pictures you will get. A for axe and A for ant. Very good, Keshav. Well done, Keshav. Beautiful butterfly. Well done, Keshav.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very good, nice. Very good, Jason. Kala, let me play the phonic song for you, children. Those are finished. Here the phonic song.
With Byju's app, children remember their concepts forever.
C.
hop, hop all around. I like to hop, hop, hop up and down. Pinky the mouse is my pet. She's still being a good pet. The ink is red all over the desk. He's wet. Jelly and jam, jiggling on the plate. Oh, what will I eat with this? Chat, 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 chat. Kites are flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. Flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. We lick our lollipops. We lick our lollipops. Oh, 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 oh. We lick our lollipops. The mom and the dad make many meals. The mom and the dad make many meals for their hungry children. Hear the airplane. Hear the airplane. Hear the airplane. Making lots of noise. Now it's dark, the lights go on. Oh, 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 oh. Time for bed, the lights go off. Oh, 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 oh. Puff out the candles on the pink, pink cake. Puff out the candles on the pink, pink cake. Puff, puff, puff. See my puppy rip the rag, See my puppy rip the rag when he pulls so hard. The snake is in the grass, the snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. When I watch the tennis game, when I watch the tennis game, my head goes back and forth. Up go umbrellas, up go umbrellas, up go umbrellas, when it starts to rain. Traffic stand round the village, traffic stand round the village, traffic stand round the village. Ooh. I see the clouds moving, wah, wah, wah. I see the kites flying, wah, wah, wah. I see the trees bending, wah, wah, wah. The wind is blowing strong. Take an X-ray, take an X-ray, take an X-ray, X-ray of my hand. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. Yup, 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 yup. Did you ever hear
Very good, children. Many of you are very clear with the phonic actions. Very good, children. Thank you so much, children. Thanks for your cooperation. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
See you, ma'am.
See you. Bye, everyone. Bye, Darshan. Bye, Ananya.